Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free VPS lifetime with an IPv4 connection. First, go to the status tab and open the website link. Then go ahead and make an account on the website. Use email, don't use Discord as it is currently not working. Press the big Add Server button and create a server with your desired operating system. Click on Manage and copy the IP of the server. Start the server. Open terminal. Type SSH root followed by your server IP. Enter your VPS password. Now enjoy the free server.